In this video, join me on a walking tour at Hua Lamphong Bangkok Railway Station. Sawadee krap! So this is the entrance to the MRT Hua Lamphong Station, not to be confused to the Bangkok Railway Station. The two are connected, so it's very easy to go here. So we're gonna walk now to inside the station. It's kinda dark. Oh wait, it's just my camera settings. Yeah, there we have it. From the MRT, you just walk towards the main gate or the main entrance of the Bangkok Railway Station, also known as Hua Lamphong Station. So this is the old one. They are replacing this now with the new one, the Bangsar Grand Central Station. So that one is the biggest railway station in Southeast Asia now. If we look here, we can see that there are many ticket counters and each counter has an LCD screen for more information. And there's also a giant LED board of the train schedule. So we look here, there's the main departure hall or the waiting area for all the trains. It's kind of bright. So this one, hashtag cinematography. You see the schedules there on the board, both in Thai and in English, alternating. So for now, while we're waiting for the train to Grand Bangsu, let's go to the second floor and check out what's up there. There are no escalators on this train station since it's pretty old, and you can really see the age on the floors, on the stairs. So, oh yeah, there's Cafe Amazon. So here we see the departure hall or the waiting area from the second floor. I heard the announcement say that my train will start boarding, so let's go down. But before we go to the platform area, let's check out the toilets. Ooh, there's a shower. So here, again, it's a little dark, there's not much lights here, and also my camera settings probably. There we have it. Okay, so here, hi, this is me. Okay, entering the toilets now. And we are greeted by the urinals. Oh my god, glad there was no one there. I didn't want to get any dude schlong on my video. I might get banned from YouTube. So cut to the scene of the portraits of the royal family. So one of the things I like about this station is that there's a huge skylight. There's plenty of natural light here. So now let's go into the platform area. So like many big railway stations, there are many platforms on this one, and this central area here has a pretty huge, pretty wide platform. We're gonna be on the left side. Probably that's our train. We still have a lot of time, so let's just walk around a bit. There, you can see that it's really old. This is kinda similar to the layout, I think, of the Manila Tutuban railway station in the Philippines. Okay, here's a portrait of a king. So just to give you a better idea of how big or how small this station actually is, let's go to the exit so you get a better perspective of the size of the station. So once on the platform area, you cannot go back to the departure hall. So you really have to exit the station through the platform area. So if you get hungry or thirsty while waiting for your train or after your trip, here are some vending machines. Pretty cool. Okay, so this station is pretty much open air, no air conditioning. That's fine. And now we exit the station. If you see to the right there over there, that's the entrance to the Hua Lamphong MRT station. So yeah, it's pretty small. Insert dramatic music. So for all my fellow rail fans, I'm gonna leave this video of the train. Oh, here's me being dramatic. Okay, going back. There is this train. Oh, it's me again being dramatic. Hi, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I'm gonna be leaving this video of the Railyard in Hua Lamphong Station for all the railway fans out there, just to see what's in here. This is me, Ronipe. I'll see you again in another video.